Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm super late to the game, but today I'm doing my Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around, but without further ado, let's get into the unbagging. So I think that this month's bag is so super duper cute. It's all based on the constellations, which I am all about. The feeling of this is like the softest jean jacket. You know the ones at Target? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Like a jean jacket, but the super, super soft ones. And the color of this is so cute. Definitely something I would put my makeup in and put in my purse. Love the bag. One of the most cute bags I've seen from their line. Love the bag. Super cute. All right, so we get a little card in here. It says, find your light. September is all about new paths and possibilities, so whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Good news, Mercury is not in retrograde this month, and your 5 glam bag products have arrived. Allow us to demystify them for you. The first thing I have in my bag is a single eyeshadow from Colored Rain Cosmetics in the shade Glamour. So it just looks like this. And I'll swatch it for you guys. That is stunning. Actually, I'll put some on my eyes because all I have really is bronzer in the crease. Oh my word, you guys. Look at the pigment. Let's put it in the inner corner. Ooh, brow bone. How stinking adorable. Wow. The pigment on this is unbelievable. This is a really, really pretty shade. And I know that Colored Rain is a good brand. Actually, let's try to do some highlighter with it. Whoa, so it works as a highlight as well. Wow, this shadow is stunning. Okay, I love this. Absolutely loving this. The bag alone is worth that. The next thing I have in my bag is a full-size Farah brush, and this is a Contour 218M. This brand's goal to create luxurious, high-quality vegan and cruelty-free products. With midnight blue bristles, this soft contour brush blends your powders, creams, and highlighters evenly and easily and looks fab in your brush jar too. So what I love about this is its ergonomic handle. It's got exactly where you need to place your fingers. So it's got the little indents here, where to place the fingers, and it is colored midnight blue. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but let's put it to the test. Let's put some contour in the cheeks. Why not? This is really, really super soft. Contour up here. Wow. Let's contour the nose. This would be a good nose contour brush as well too. So it fits perfectly along the jawline. Oh my word, I love this. This is a super soft brush. I love Farah brushes. I love this product, and it's a full size. I was not expecting that. So yay, another great product in this bag. All right, next up on the list, we've got this. It's the Haru Haru Wonder Honey Green Aqua Bomb Cream, meaning every day in Korean, this lifestyle-inspired brand uses superfood ingredients and natural fermentation technology to formulate their uniquely designed products. This moisturizer uses green tea, honey, and hyaluronic acid to plump and repair. Now, if you don't know what hyaluronic acid is, it's a great skincare ingredient for anti-aging, plumping the skin, and hydration. So let's take a look at the consistency. So it looks very water-like, and it blends right into the skin, leaving it super hydrated and moisturized. Wow. So this would be great for all skin types, as things with hyaluronic acid in this consistency, very water-like, sinks right into the skin, would be perfect under makeup. I love products like this. So that's really awesome in the bag as well. The next item on the list, guys, this is the Ofra and Madison Miller collab Sugar Cup Lip Gloss. It says this limited edition collab between Ipsy and Madison Miller gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This pink gloss with a hint of purple shines up your lips without feeling the least bit sticky. I know Ofra products retail for $20. I do know that. So let's swatch this and get a good swatch of the color. It's not too much. It's really a nice pink, and you see that really small purple tint, and it's really, really nice and shiny. Let's try it on the lips, shall we? If you guys don't know who Madison Miller is, you need to follow her. She's amazing beauty guru. She does PR unboxings, she does first impressions, she does tutorials, everything on her channel. She's got the cutest little baby girl. She also has a vlog channel. I will link her channel down below, but let's try the gloss on. Let's smell it first. Ooh, it smells it's a very subtle hint of sugar cookie. And this gloss is super lightweight. And I love this shade. Wow, even more than the lip product I was wearing earlier. So yay, and it feels very, very thin in consistency, and it's not thick at all. Very, very comfortable. I am so pleased with this bag, guys. I love that gloss, and it's limited edition. Guys, let me know in the comments, did you get her blush, highlighter, or the lip product in your bag? And the last thing I have is this Skin Iceland Icelandic Youth Serum. All of Skin Iceland's formulas are made to combat the effect of stress on your skin. This serum is infused with healing ingredients sourced from Iceland, like glacial water, cranberry seed oil, and Arctic cloudberry, to address dullness, dryness, uneven skin tone, and premature aging. Now, I do know that Skin Iceland products are super expensive, and they're known for drastically improving skin problems. I do own a Skin Iceland eye cream, and it really works. So here's what it looks like. It has a red tint to it. Let's blend it in on the hand. This is very, very lightweight in consistency, but it has much more moisturizing, super hydrating properties than the first one. So this I would use at nighttime prior to moisturization. It does say to follow up with your favorite moisturizer after cleansing the skin to use that product. So you guys, those are all 5 of the products I received in my Ipsy September 2019 bag. If you guys are unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription service. I pay for it myself. It's not sponsored or anything. I just love Ipsy. It's $10.80 a month. You can cancel at any time. There's a beauty quiz that you can take so that they can better understand your needs and send you good products. I love their products. You get 5 travel size, sometimes 1 full-size item in the bag. There's also an option to upgrade to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I also have. So I'm super happy about my bag this month. I couldn't be happier. The $10.80 I paid is well worth this month's bag. So let me know down below what you guys got. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. Follow me over on Instagram, AshleyLamora26. Hit the bell so that you're notified of all my future unboxings, BoxyCharm, and Ipsy. And thank you for watching today's video. I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.